Yes, Pradeep.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, let's begin. Yeah, do practice now. Absolutely.
Cred.
We are doing activate, account, addition. Yeah,
Yes.
we need to go with address.
Address.
Right.
Appropriate.
Appropriate. See this one.
Appro.
Appropriate. So it has
Appropriate.
four syllables.
Appropriate.
It
Yeah.
has four syllables. And generally, here we are giving a stress over the second syllable.
Second
That's why
syllable.
it is appropriate.
Appropriate.
Right.
Appropriate. Apologize.
Apologize. Apologize.
Apologize.
Right.
Apologize. Apologize.
Apologize. Avail.
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 Well.
Avail. Avail is the
Well.
right one.
Well.
Advise.
Advise.
Right.
Advantage.
Advantage. Okay. Generally,
Advantage.
what happens
Yeah.
whenever there is like the word like college, we say na
Yeah.
college, advantage.
College.
So whenever there is AGE at the end of a word, so generally AGE is pronounced as IGE.
AGE.
AGE is
Okay.
pronounced as IGE, like
EE.
advantage, not advantage.
Advantage. Okay.
Yeah, and
Advantage.
T should be
College.
T. T
T.
should be T.
Advantage.
Yeah, advantage. Advantage.
Advantage. Right?
Right.
Bill.
Advantage.
Battery.
Bill. Battery.
Bill. Battery.
Credit.
Credit.
Concern.
Concern. Sent.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sent. Code.
Sent. Code.
Code.
Conditions.
Conditions.
Right.
Contract.
Contract.
Confirmation.
Confirmation. Right.
Congratulation.
Congratulation. Congratulation. Try to use the
Congratulation.
mid sound of
Congratulation.
caw and
Yeah.
caw, like congratulations.
Congratulation.
Yeah, it's a
Congratulation.
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 Right.
Congratulation. Congratulation.
Right. Coverage.
Coverage.
Yeah, it's not
Coverage.
coverage, it's coverage.
Coverage.
Yeah.
Coverage. Yeah, understood.
Conclude.
Coverage. Conclude.
Right.
Conclude. Customer.
Customer.
Customer. Customer.
Right.
Detail.
Detail.
Detail. Detailed.
Detailed. Dollar.
Detailed. Dollar.
Right. Diamond.
Diamond.
Direct.
Directory.
Yeah, absolutely fine.
Directory.
Absolutely good. Decision.
Division.
Division.
Digit. Department. Effective. Electronic. Equipment. And envelope. Emergencies. Event. Enough. Eligible. Encourage. Enter. Expiration. Extended. Extension. Evaluation. Forwarding. Family. 40. Family.
Right.
40. General. Guide.
Okay, guide.
Hours.
It is ours.
Hours.
Right.
Hours.
Right.
Handset. Have. Happy.
Mhm.
Hold. Information.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should work on such words
Yeah.
such as
Yes.
addition.
Addition.
Write down in the notebook. You will practice a lot over these words.
Yeah.
Addition.
Addition. Address. Appropriate.
Wait.
Appropriate.
Only go with the word asset sound wala.
SH.
Write down this one. Addition. Conditions. Write down in the notebook.
Okay. Conditions. Contract.
No. You need to only focus TION wala pe. Like confirmation.
Okay. Confirmation.
Yeah. First write down condition,
Yeah.
addition,
Condition.
confirmation.
Yeah, I noted down.
Yes. Go for the next.
Yeah, it's a contract.
Wait. Confirmation, congratulation.
Confirmation. Congratulation.
Congratulation. You write down this one, the word
Congratulation.
congratulation. Right.
Okay. Congratulation.
Right.
Congratulation.
Right. However is okay. So
Confirmation.
that is not required. Confirmation. Yes.
Yeah. Confirmation.
Confirmation. Right.
Confirmation. Congratulation.
Confirmation. Shun.
Confirmation.
Confirmation. Right.
Confirmation.
Right.
Congratulations.
Right. 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 How many words have you written?
I have written confirmation and congratulation to address condition. These words.
Write down this one.
Okay.
Expiration. 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 Extend. Okay.
Expire.
Extended, not
Expiration.
extension.
Extension.
Right. Extension.
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 Extension is
Extension.
done. Now we write down information.
Information. Information. Information. Yeah, it's noted down.
Next is instructions.
Instructions.
Right.
Instructions.
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 Right. Instructions.
And evaluation.
Evaluation. Right. Evaluation.
Evaluation.
Right.
Evaluation. Expiration. Expiration. Evaluation.
Information we are
Information.
done.
Yeah.
Instructions.
Instructions.
Option. Navigation.
Option. Navigation.
Right.
Navigation.
Navigation. Option. Question. Oh, by the way, it is
Question.
so you can leave it. Yeah, it
Okay.
is leave it.
Recognition.
Right.
Recognition. Recognition. Recognition.
Recognition. Okay. Verification.
Verification. Verification.
Verification.
Verification. Verification.
Now, how many words are there?
There are around 10 words.
10 words, na? So keep it as a practice for homework,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now, let's go with
Sa.
one by
Sa
one.
sound, right?
Shaw sound,
Yeah.
yeah. Asset sound.
Asset sound. Sa.
Now you can start from here. Diamond.
Diamond. Direct.
Directory.
Direct.
Decision.
Yeah. Directory. Decision.
Right.
Division. Department.
Department, yes.
Effective. Electronic.
Right.
Equipment.
Equipment. Okay. Whenever, see,
Equipment.
I
Okay.
forgot to tell you, whenever there is
Yeah.
MENT at the end of a word,
Yeah.
so generally it is not meant, but it is month, like management,
Yeah.
department, equipment.
Department.
Generally we
Equipment.
say meant, like department.
Can you give me a moment, please?
Yeah, please.
I need to. Hello. Hello.
Pradeep, I'm here.
Can you give me just 5 minutes? I need to collect my delivery.
Please.
The delivery boy
Can
is
understand.
sorry for this.
Take your time.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Asan. Sorry for
No problem.
the inconvenience. Because I have to. So, can we continue on this?
Yeah. We can continue. So
Yeah.
let's begin with the diamond.
Diamond.
Right.
Directory. Decision. Division. Digit. Department.
Department.
Sorry.
Right.
Department.
Right.
Department. Effective. Electronic.
Equipment. Right.
And annual. Emergencies. Event.
And
Eligible.
right. Eligible. Encourage.
Enter. Expiration. Extended. Extension.
Right.
Extends. Evaluation.
Right. Forwarding.
Forwarding. Family. 40.
40.
40. General.
Right.
Guide. Hours.
ours,
ours, ours,
ours.
handset, have,
Handset,
handset,
have,
happy,
happy.
happy, hold,
Okay. Next one,
navigation,
navigation.
navigation,
Right.
number,
Number,
over,
average. Okay, someone is
over
calling,
age.
Pradeep. You should pick the call.
Yeah,
No worry.
no problem.
Okay.
I'll take it later. That's
Okay.
today. I have a lot of disturbance.
I can understand. Today is your office, right?
Yeah, the cab driver is calling.
So you should
Ops.
talk. No worry.
Okay, just hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Pradeep.
So it's option password
Password. Okay.
preceding
Preceding.
perfect
Perfect.
perfect
Right.
prefer
Okay.
prepaid
Okay.
pro program
Program. Yes. Okay. Pradeep,
program.
I will have to stop
Yeah,
here because
yeah,
now I have got one meeting at 11.
yeah.
So I
Yeah,
need
yeah, yeah.
5 minutes to freshen up myself.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So can you just share me this one?
Actually,
Yeah,
what
that will be
happened,
really helpful.
मैं अगर
Yeah,
ऑनेस्टी बताऊं ना प्रदीप, मैं
yeah,
लगभग आठ
yeah.
दस दिनों से स्टमक से काफी स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ।
Yes.
तो आपकी चीजें दिमाग में है, बट वो बिकॉज
And
ऑफ द हेल्थ आई एम
okay.
स्ट्रगलिंग, दैट्स वाई। बट मैं आज आपको ये
Yes.
वाला पार्ट जरूर शेयर करूंगा, नो नीड टू वरी।
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll also try to learn this stress on
आई
syllable
आई डू
from you.
दैट, बिलीव इन मी।
Okay. Thank you so much.
ओके,
Bye. So,
बाय बाय।
what will when will be the next class on
व्हेन डू यू
Saturday?
वांट?
Can we do it on Saturday on 9 a.m.?
सैटरडे, या फाइन।
9 a.m. because I have doctor appointment as well on Saturday.
सो वी कैन डू ऑन सैटरडे, नो प्रॉब्लम।
9 a.m.
9 9, and
That's fine.
please remind me on Friday because sometimes like what is happening,
Yeah.
I'm taking
Yeah.
one-on-one classes na, so like flexibility
Yeah.
is there in the classes, so I don't remember. So you
Okay. No
remind me
worries.
that time.
Okay. Thank
On
you. Sure.
Friday late night you can drop a
On Friday,
message.
yeah, tomorrow. Yeah,
Yes,
I'll.
yes, yes. Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Have a nice
Welcome.
day. Thank you so much.